did you know that today is National Made in the USA Day? And you know, that's exactly what we do here at WireCrafters. Everything you can see in this facility is made right here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is a product that is made by the people of this community, and we can guarantee the product, the success of the product, and the quality of the product. So that's what we do at WireCrafters. We make wire partitions. We use them for tool cribs, maintenance cages, machine guards. We also have a guardrail product. A lot of different things here at WireCrafters that we can help you with. You go to our website at wirecrafters.com, you click on the resource button, and you can find the leads information that talks about our suppliers for our tubing, our angle, and even the spools of wire that we make all of our mesh with. So let's celebrate the National Made in the USA Day.